This public friction is a jarring departure from the brotherhood the two artists once shared. As of now, the clock is ticking.
I wonder, have him history and him find them. When him used to go pick up Buju and carry Buju a studio. So I understand him grief and him pain when Buju come out and Buju now work with him. And Buju want him say, and me I say, based on what we know and say, Buju want him come work like I just run on and work. And that him a deal more money, cause real money I make. And Buju for remember say, when him keep him sure back to the $4.5 million I make profit. So why we don't enough want the money? Why we don't enough want real money? Real money. If the profit Zine a $4.5 million, why we don't enough to get real money? Why? Why everybody involved enough to get real money? How Buju said, the way Buju said to him, I said like we're on the red eye. And we're on there watching money. But we have to watch the fucking money. Cause the money higher now. The rate of the money higher. And I like when we are there young girl on a penthouse, the money higher. One show in a Barclay, you gross $4.5 million. So why me not to get real money? And me did it before everybody else. And that we don't want to say. We don't want to say if you get real money from Buju and real respect and him for them on the whole of the tour them and the whole of the show them. Me can't blame we none for that. Reason, eat food.
Whether this ends in a quiet resolution or escalates into a high-profile courtroom battle remains to be seen. It's never easy seeing two legends at odds. What's your favorite Buju and Wayne Wonder collaboration? Let's celebrate the music in the comments. Don't